Concept of program and programming language, page number 239. Computer never understand human language. I think I already started this. Okay. Computer never understand human language. They understand only their own language. That language is machine language or binary digit. For 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 computer for understand human language, computer need translator. There are three types of translator we are use: compiler, interpreter, or assembler. Program: a set of instruction used to perform specific tasks. A set of instruction to do specific tasks is known as computer program. What is program? A set of instruction use special tasks or particular tasks is known as program. For example, computer program is VNet. What is program? A set of instruction given to the form. Set of instruction. A set of instruction given is known as computer program. Plus, Java, Oracle, etc. The process of writing program using some special language. Writing a program, we use some special language that is known as computer programming. Computer programming is the process of writing computer program with the help of special computer language that is known as computer programming. There are two types of computer programming: low-level programming and high-level programming. And who give instruction and who write program, who involve for coding, that person is known as computer programmer. A programmer is a person who is involved to write computer program. The person who write the computer program, that is known as computer programmer. Low-level language is computer native language. Low-level language is a computer native language. It is easily understood by computer. And low-level language is divided into two categories. One is the assembly language, another is a machine language. One is a assembly language, another is a machine level language. Machine level language is very familiar to computer. Machine level language is very familiar to computer. And it is a part of low-level language. Machine level language is a part of low-level language. It is a native language. It is a familiar to machine level language. And machine level language take less time to solve program. Machine language take less time to solve program because in low machine level language no need for translator. Machine level language no need to translate. Machine level language it is directly understood by computer because there is computer language 0 or 1 digit use गर्छ यो कम्प्युटरको आफ्नै ल्याङ्ग्वेज भयो यसमा हामीलाई ट्रान्सलेटर चाहिन्न कम्प्युटरले युज गर्ने ल्याङ्ग्वेज हुन्छ त्यही भएर यो ल्याङ्ग्वेज कम्प्युटरलाई एकदम मन पर्ने ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो मेन पोइन्ट के हो मसिन लेभल ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेसी इट इज इजिली अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड बाइ कम्प्युटर because computer language use भइराखेको छ कम्प्युटर ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको मसिन ल्याङ्ग्वेज र 01 युज भएको छ त्यही भएर कम्प्युटरले इजिली अन्डरस्ट्यान्ड गर्छ हामीलाई यसमा ट्रान्सलेटर चाहिन्न हामीलाई ट्रान्सलेटर नभएपछि हाम्रो आन्सर फास्ट हुन्छ बुझ्यौ डिसएडभान्टेज इज फाइन्ड आउट एरर मिस्टेक फाइन्ड आउट गर्न टाइम लाग्छ नम्बर 1 नम्बर 2 very difficult to write program in machine language. Machine language में हामीले program लेख्नलाई हामीलाई गाह्रो हुन्छ. हामीले कोडिङ याद राख्न पर्यो, त्यसको फेरि प्रोग्राम गरिन् त्यहाँ कहाँ मिस्टेक छ के कुन लाइनमा मिस्टेक छ त्यो फाइन्ड आउट गर्न टाइम लाग्छ. त्यो डिमेरिट्स हो. मेरिट्स पनि merit easily understand by computer, less time to solve program, no need for translator. And demerits difficult to write in machine language and difficult to find out error mistakes. Language in which binary assembly language use many code to write a program. Many code use huncha program लेख्नलाई. It is a part of low level language. It is a part of low level. Many code भनेको के हो भन त?
BERSATI
कसैलाई many भनेको के हो?
ACCURACY.
Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
What do you mean by many code?
And what is the
Look at this.
Many codes are replaced by shorter form of instruction.
allowed to draw. It's allowed to view. It's allowed to view and edit picture. It help to make picture.
Many code addition को add भयो. SU को short form मा हामीले लेख्छौं नि. Subtraction भयो. SQT means square root भयो. CMP भनेको comparison भयो. BI short form हामीले लेख्छौं त्यसलाई many code भन्छौं. MUL भनेको multiplication भयो. DIV भनेको division भयो. त्यो हामीले युज गर्छौं. यो लो लेभल कम्प्युटर ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो. यो assembly language is difficult to write programs. We use many code in assembly language, and assembly language program used in the second generation of computer. This used in a second generation of computer. And advantages of assembly language, it is easier than machine level language. Machine level language को compare में easy हो. And यसमा हामीले error find गर्न easy हुन्छ. Disadvantage, we need translator. Translator किन चाहियो भनेको यो कम्प्युटरले बुझ्न गाह्रो हुन्छ किनकि कम्प्युटरको ल्याङ्ग्वेज हैन. So we need translator to translate that language. It is machine independent. It takes more time to give result. Next is a high level language. In the third generation, we use high level language. High level language is easier to understand programmer. It is easier because it use simple English language. Simple English language use हुन्छ high level programming मा. यो program oriented language हो. यो program oriented language
Food give us energy to move and work. True. Ayurvedic medicine are made
computer में
true.
इसमा
We
simple
to smoke false.
English language
First
and
should
it
be
is
provided
a
in your person.
basic
DPT is
example.
tuberculosis.
के भयो Q basic whole Fortran, the example of high level language. Advantages of a high level languages
Also,
in use, it's machine independent. Disadvantage, we need language time to more time to give result. It take more time to give result. Okay, in any confusion in this chapter? Can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Any confusion, sir?
no ma'am.
No, ma'am. ध्यान देऊ म रिभिजन गर्छु सुन. फर्स्टमा मसिन ल्याङ्ग्वेज के हो? मसिन कम्प्युटरको ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो. लो लेभल ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो. यसमा हामीले ट्रान्सलेटर चाहिन्न. जस्तो म तिमीहरूसँग नेपाली टु नेपाली बोले भनेपछि हामीले बुझ्न गाह्रो हुन्छ। म तिमीसँग नेपाली बोल्छु, तिमीलाई पनि नेपाली आउँछ, गाह्रो हुन्छ
हुँदैन।
हुँदैन। सो मसिन ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा ट्रान्सलेटर छैन, कम्प्युटरले इजिली बुझ्छ, आन्सर पनि चाँडै आउँछ किनकि मैले तिमीलाई जे सोधेको छु तिमीले आन्सिहाल्छु किनकि सेम ल्याङ्ग्वेज भयो। एसेम्बली ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको के भयो भनेपछि जस्तो अब म चाइनिज भयो, तिमी नेपाली भयो, हामीलाई के चाहियो भन त? अब न तिमीले चाइनिज बुझ्छु न मैले नेपाली बुझ्छु, ट्रान्सलेटर चाहियो। ट्रान्सलेटरले दुईटै ल्याङ्ग्वेज जानेको हुन। अब मैले तिमीलाई केही चाइनिजमा केही सोध्छु, उसले त्यो कुरा तिमीलाई नेपालीमा बुझाउँछ, तिमीले नेपालीमा आन्सर दिन्छौ, त्यो आन्सर मलाई फेरि चाइनिज ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा बुझाउँछ है। यस्तो गर्दाखेरि हाम्रो कम्युनिकेसन के हुन्छ, कम्युनिकेट गरेको टाइम धेरै हुन्छ है। हामी एसेम्बली ल्याङ्ग्वेजमै युज गर्यौँ। एसेम्बली ल्याङ्ग्वेज के हुन्छ, सेकेन्ड जेनेरेसनमा युज भएको हो। यसमा हामीलाई ट्रान्सलेटर चाहिन्छ। यसमा हामीले स्पेशली मेनोमेनिक कोड युज गर्छौँ। मेनोमेनिक कोड भनेको के भनेपछि सर्ट फर्म हामीले लेख्छौँ, एडिसनको एड, कम्पेरिजनको सिएमपी, स्क्वायर रेटको एसक्युआर, यसरी हामीले लेख्छौँ, मोडुलेटरको एमओडी सर्ट फर्म लेख्छौँ जो हामीलाई सबै याद राख्न पर्छ है। यसमा फेरि हामीलाई ट्रान्सलेटर चाहिन्छ। और हाई लेभल ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको यो पार्ट अफ कम्प्युटर ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो। हाई लेभल टाइप्स अफ कम्प्युटर ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो यो। मसिन इन्डिपेन्डेन्ट ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो, प्रोग्राम ओरिएन्टेड ल्याङ्ग्वेज हो। हाई लेभल ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेको इक्जाम्पल क्युबेसिक भयो, क्विक बिगिनर्स अल पर्पज सिम्बोलिक इन्स्ट्रक्सन कोड। कम्प्युटरले बुझ्दैन, त्यही भएर हामीलाई ट्रान्सलेटर छ। ह्युमनले यो ल्याङ्ग्वेज चाँडै बुझ्छ किनकि हामीले सिम्पल ल्याङ्ग्वेज युज गर्छौँ, जस्तो इनपुट एन्टर अ फर्स्ट नम्बर, इनपुट सेकेन्ड नम्बर भनेर बुझ्यौँ नि। यसमा मसिन ल्याङ्ग्वेजमा हाई लेभल ल्याङ्ग्वेज हामीले इङ्ग्लिस सिम्पल युज गर्छौँ। So all of you go to chat box and fill up attendance form. Then after we will discuss exercise. Human language.
मेरो उता कम्प्युटर बुक चाहिँ ल्याइदिए त।
Human language. A set of instructions used to perform a specific task in the computer is known as program. Dash language is also known as second generation programming language.
Programming language.
Assembly language.
Assembly language.
C number answer is assembly. The process of writing the computer program in suitable programming language is known as programming. The Dash label language is a machine independent programming language.
High level.
Yes, high level. Programming is machine language is very easy. Because it is easy to computer but difficult to human. So false. The language which are used to develop computer program are called programming language. True. Assembly language uses binary code while programming. Just now I told you it uses mnemonic code, so it is false. Assembly language uses mnemonic code while programming, not binary code. Machine level language uses binary code while programming. So C number answer is false. Cube is
True.
true. The high-level language is translated into machine code by using compiler or an interpreter. True.
True.
COBOL, common business-oriented language. In page number 241, common business-oriented language. Fortran formula translation. Fortran formula translation. HLL high level language. HLL high level language. LLL low level language. MLL MLL
Machine level language.
yes machine level language. Few basic quick
With beginner.
Hypertext
beginners
lack of language.
all purpose
Symbolic instruction code.
symbolic instruction code.
अच्छा तो घरमा गएको ठीक है मदन तेरो
You write your name, correct name.
पढेर क्लास अफ गर्न
That is programming language. Programming language. Programming language. Computer native language uses 0 and 1.
मैम व्हाट
क्यों बना था
Machine level language. Machine level language.
machine label language and bracket you write MLL. BLE को routine है रहे हो. 4A programming language. 4B machine label language ML.
खुट्टा धोइस
और सुनो ते BLE routine है रहे हो. इसको लैब्स में केही प्रॉब्लम भयो र त्यो आको छ तिमीले उसमा हेर स्कुलको वेबसाइटमा
के भने पानी हाल्ने
which code are used for assembly language
अर्को सानो कुकरमा ए कुकर भन्नु
which code no we are discussing number 4 no oh sorry machine independent computer language high level language yeah high level language the set of rules of high level language used to write a statement syntax syntax syntax
A र B को नि भन्दिछ न 4 को
4A programming language 4 machine level language 4C high level language and 4D syntax syntax
and you are not given
हजुर मल्टिमिडियाको म यो च्याप्टरको आज अपलोड गरिदिन्छु यो च्याप्टर कम्प्लिट भयो अपलोड गर्छु नभए मल्टिमिडिया है डज कम्प्युटर युज नेचुरल ल्याङ्ग्वेज
नो
No, computer never use natural language. They use their own language. That language is a machine label language. You write answer only no. No master. Enter the waiting room. Which computer's native language
machine
which is computer machine level language? Machine level language. Which codes are used by assembly language? Mnemonic code. Yes, spelling यहाँ छ है MEMONIC mnemonic codes. Write 2 examples of high level language. Q basic
And C
and
plus.
C++ or CJ लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. Otherwise C++ लेख्दा पनि हुन्छ. Q basic, C++. This type of language is known as first generation programming language. First generation को के language हो भन त?
Machine level language.
level language.
Very good. Machine level language. Second generation को
Assembly
assembly language. और third generation को
high level
high level language. Which language doesn't need translator? Translator कुन language लाई चाहिन्न?
machine
language.
language.
Machine level language. Very good. Are all computer users known as programmer? जसले कम्प्युटर जसले कम्प्युटर चलाएको हुन्छ हामीले प्रोग्रामर भन्छौं. Yes or no? क्वेशन बुझ्यो? लास्ट नम्बरको आन्सर यस हुन्छ कि नो हुन्छ? नो.
No, ma'am, that who does that C++ language or something, they are known
जसले
as.
प्रोग्राम भेरी गुड. जसले प्रोग्राम बनाउँछ त्यसलाई प्रोग्रामर भन्छौं. सबै जसले कम्प्युटर चलाउँछ त्यसलाई के भन्छौं हामीले? युजर. कम्प्युटर चलाउने सबैलाई युजर भन्छौं. तर सबैलाई हामीले प्रोग्राम बनाउनेलाई प्रोग्रामर भन्छौं. युनिनम. In this number, which 6 number, we will discuss in next class. 7, what is computer programming language? Explain the types of low level programming language with example. यसमा तिमीले फर्स्ट मा computer language भनेर छ. पेज नम्बर 239 मा programming language. The programming languages are used to give you got
Yes, ma'am.
last paragraph. The programming language used to give instruction to the computer that computer understand. The artificial language which are used to develop computer program are called programming language. There are 2 types of programming language: low level, high level language. Then page number 240. Low level language, you write definition of low level language. Then after, there are 2 types of low level language: machine level language and assembly level language. And then you describe low level and machine level language and 2 merits and demerits demerits of machine level language and assembly level language. बुझ्यो? आफै लेख है. High level language are problem or to discuss this statement with the feature of high level language. Page number 241 मा high level language छ नि, यो पढेर आफै आन्सर बनाऊ. एन्ड फिचर्स मा तिमीले मेरिट्सहरू लेख है, मेरिट्स जो छ नि त्यो। त्यसपछि तिमीले यो गुगलमा सर्च गर फिचर्स अफ हाई लेभल प्रोग्रामिङ ल्याङ्ग्वेज भनेर टाइप गर। त्यसमा नि पोइन्ट वाइज हुन्छ, तिमीले 2 or 3 पोइन्ट्स लेख। बुझ्यौ?
Yes, ma'am.
लेस देन 1 minute टाइम। सो तिम्रो आज म होमवर्क अपलोड गरिदिन्छु, पोस्ट गर्दिन्छु रुममा।
Okay, ma'am.
नेक्स्ट क्लास। बाई बाई स्टुडेन्ट्स।
Bye, ma'am.